you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the new Colourpop Strawberry Shake palette to show you guys and review. Do you want to see what this is all about? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I finally had time to sit down and film this new Colourpop Strawberry Shake palette that I've had sitting here for a little while. And that is how I created this look right here, and I will play that at the end if you do want to watch it. But right now I will go ahead and open this up. I will do the swatches, and then also I did get a few Super Shock shadows that I will swatch to show you guys, and then I'm going to tell you my review on using this that you guys have asked me to do when I purchased that through another Colourpop order. So let's go ahead and get through the star of the show, which is the Strawberry Shake palette. Now, I purchased this because if you guys notice, I do wear a lot of burgundies on my face. It's just my go-to colors. I think it looks good with my skin tone, my hair color, and all of that kind of thing. So once I saw this, I'm like, ooh, that is right up my alley. And that is how I created this look, and I am loving how it turned out. So I already opened it, but this is the outer packaging. I just opened it as I'm talking. There is the back that goes over the different colors. And then it does go over the colors on the back, which I do appreciate because I don't keep boxes. And there is the front of the actual package itself. Once you open this guy up, it does have a mirror on the top that has a protected film. And then here are the colors right inside. Now, for this look, what I did do is I started with this paper straw, like a peachier color, and went over my entire lid. Then I went over with this lighter pink color right here to blend in on top of it. Then I went up with Shake It Up right down here and went into my crease. And I did use this Delish right here for the top. And then I used this right here, which is Daiquiri in the far corner. I did also use Shake It Up on my lower lash line as well. And again, here is the complete palette. I really am pleased with these colors, the pigment, just the way that it blended, the way that it worked. I really am excited about this. I didn't use like this glittery pink right here, which I'm excited to use that the next time. Next time I can go like more, because you can go more peacher, you can go pinkier, or you can go more burgundy tones, which I do appreciate that you can get several different types of looks out of one smaller palette. So let me go ahead and get my fingers in here and swatch them for you guys. Alrighty, so there is the complete palette right there. And again, I am loving these colors. All right, so there are all of the colors swatched, and there is the entire palette. When I first saw it online, honestly, you guys, I thought it was gonna be more reds, but it's really not. They're more of like pinks and burgundies versus a red. So, I mean, I was thinking I was gonna get more reds, but I'm so glad that they are at least the colors that I do love, because now I have a new palette to grab to do my eye looks every day, which that's amazing. So that is the entire palette. I will show you how I put this look together. But first I wanna show you my Super Shock shadow purchase. I love these things, you guys. And of course I had to grab some teal, and then that mauvish color in the middle looked very intriguing. So I wanted to try that out. So let me go ahead and get these opened and get these swatched for you guys. So I'm gonna start with the blues. This one is Banana Daiquiri. Right there. And oh, I love these. They're just such buttery, oh goodness. And oh my gosh, that is like a blue green color. Like it has a different shift tone to it. That is gorgeous. I can't, oh my gosh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. Yes, I love that color. So again, this one is Banana Daiquiri. I don't know where banana comes in from, but it does kind of have like a little bit of like a green tinge that I see with the shift. Oh, that's gorgeous. That is gorgeous. I'm so glad that I chose that one. This one here is called Left on Thread. That looks more of like a blue, like a darker, more blue, but it's left on thread. Let me go ahead. Oh, I just love this formula. Okay, so it's pretty much similar where it does have like more of the chameleon look. I can see green and blue depending on how I move my hand, because here's the two colors right there. So you can see the green in the very center when I move. So it is more of like a chameleon style, like, so maybe I can get the different greens when I move. So it's like blue right there, and then it'll turn to like a green. That is gorgeous. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Ah! And they're like two different tones. So I'm glad one's more darker than the other and they didn't come out to be like almost the same. Because I was debating between the two and I'm like, you know what? Just get them both. That's the only way to solve that one. And then this one right here is Bill. And it looks like a pretty mauve color. So I was really excited to try this one. So let me get in here. Oh, I just love these formulas. Oh, that is really nice. Oh, that's like a here's my lavenderish color. It's like a mauve lavender color. That is gorgeous. So if you guys have got any of the Super Shock shadows, let me know what you think of them. I really love them. I have a few different colors that I'll use just with my finger on my lower lid, and then I'll just build whatever color up above it. So I'm so glad that I did get these to go along with my order, because those are really pretty colors. And then the palette is gorgeous. Yes. Okay, so before I show you how I put this together, the last thing that I want to talk to you guys about is I did purchase this guy right here. This is the Fourth Ray Beauty Watermelon Face Milk. And when I unboxed my order that day, I know a lot of you guys said, please do a review on this product. I don't feel that this product needs its own review, to be quite honest, because I was really excited about the watermelon aspect of it. It doesn't really smell like watermelon. It does at first. You get like you do have a little bit of a watermelon scent to it, but I'm going to be completely honest with you guys, because that's all I do, is be honest. I don't see a difference using this versus not using this. And to be quite honest, a lot of face products do that to me. And one of my friends is like, maybe it's not really that the product isn't doing anything. Maybe it's just your skin doesn't need any form of like a repairing, or your skin isn't as bad, so it's not showing you the effects because I have not bad skin. Maybe, I don't know if that's the case, but there are some moisturizers or there are some facial products that I use, and in the morning my face is so super soft and I can tell a difference. This one here, when you have to like put it on your hand and you rub it out because you need to get it warmth, and then you pat it and like, pat it out. And I did that. I did it exactly the way I'm supposed to use it. And when I wake up in the morning, my face skin feels very dry. And I don't like my face feeling dry, especially right before I'm going to apply my makeup. So I've been using this just to use this to see if anything would change, so I can tell you guys my real honest opinion. And my real honest opinion is, me personally, for me and my skin type, this is not a product that I would repurchase, because to me it was kind of a waste of money, because it doesn't really do anything but in the morning make my face feel like it's more dry than it normally is. So I'm a little disappointed, and it's very hard to get this out now. Like, oh, now, of course, now you're going to fill up. But like last night when I used it again, it was hard to get some out. So now I'm literally going to have to just like dump it out on my skin to get the last of it out. It's just, it's a good concept. I like the fact that it was a watermelon face milk, but to me personally, it just didn't really do anything. So if you guys have used this and you've had other results, please leave comments down below so others can read your personal experience versus mine, because I am only one person with my own type of skin. Not everybody has the same, everybody's different. So this is my own review on this product. So again, if you guys have used this and you get any other results, please let me know. I would like to hear them as well. But for me, this just kind of dried my skin out, and I don't like that. So if you want to see how I use this new strawberry shake it, you want to see how I used this and created this look, then here you go. Okay, you guys, so thank you so much for watching this video. That is how I created this look using this palette. And I already did tell you which colors that I used and in the manner that I used them. And yeah. So go ahead and comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world. Let me know, did you like this palette? Did you like those other super shock shadows that I got? Did you like or use anything with that watermelon product that I was telling you about? Please let me know. Again, your positive interaction means the world. If you're not already, I'd greatly appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button, and then you'll see the different videos that I do load for you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.